Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all and welcome to the channel. This is an erratum to correct a mistake I committed in the video pertaining to the constant pool. These numbers, I will just highlight them here for you. These numbers are not the line of code. They are simply the order for the bytecode instructions. When I spoke of the line number, I was thinking of something else. That is why I confused myself. So I apologize for that. So this is bytecode instruction order. Yeah, not number, order. And it starts with 0, of course, because of it is similar to an array. They always start from 0. That is not necessarily the case. There are programming languages that do not have 0 as the beginning index, such as R, for example. But here it starts with 0 to indicate that this is the first instruction in the bytecode. So it lists it in order, basically. Thank you very much for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Be safe, take care, and peace be upon you all. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.